friends, it's Erin. Today we're going to be using this sign right here that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. This scrapbook paper also from Hobby Lobby. This joy stake that I got from Walmart. And this Christmas pick that I got from the Dollar Tree. We're also going to throw on some red beads for berries at the end. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our sign that I got from Hobby Lobby after the 4th of July clearance. And we're going to just trace that out with our paper that we got from Hobby Lobby. Then we're going to cut that out. Then we're going to Mod Podge that onto our sign. And that's going to be the background for our sign. I'm just using my sanding sponge to get rid of any of the paper that was hanging over the edge. It just gives it a smooth finish around the edges, so that's all I'm doing here. Okay, so now that my sign is all ready, I'm going to take my joy stake and just pop that red stake right off of there. It comes off super easy, guys. When I saw these at Walmart, I knew that I was not going to use them as stakes. I was going to use them as signs. They're super cute. So anyhow, at the last minute, I decided that I wanted to add something behind our little joy sign. So the first thing that came to mind was burlap. So I'm kind of playing around with what kind of burlap I'm going to use. And then we will cut a piece of burlap and lay that down behind our joy sign. Like it needed a little more texture, so I think that burlap helped bring out some more texture for this project. Now we're just going to hot glue our little joy sign right there on top of our burlap. And then I'm pretty sure that this little Christmas pick, little sprig there, I believe that came from Dollar Tree. And so we're going to hot glue that in place also, just to give our little sign a little something extra. Super cute just the way it is like that though. So you could leave it alone. But I'm going to go ahead and add this pick on there. I'm just going to hot glue it right there to the edge of our little joy sign. And then I kind of wanted to hide that little stick part. So I cut some of it off. And then I decided to add those red wooden beads to kind of help cover that up. And I also added a few little pine cones that I got from Dollar Tree also, just to kind of hide that stick and give our little sprig a little color. guys enjoyed this project as much as I did. Y'all make sure that you stick with us throughout this Christmas holiday season. We have so many great ideas to share with you guys. So stay tuned and make sure you guys check out our blog at lizzieandaaron.com. Also check out our shirts in our store at lizzieandaarondesigns.com. We have some awesome new Christmas shirts. Make sure y'all check them out. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Bye.